Breaking the chains, understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in the English language. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, break the chains. This expression is rich in imagery and metaphor, making it a vivid part of spoken and written English. Break the chains is an idiomatic expression that means to free oneself from constraints or limitations. These constraints can be literal, like physical chains, but they are often metaphorical. They can represent societal norms, personal fears, or any form of restriction that prevents a person from achieving their full potential. The phrase, break the chains, likely originated from the literal act of breaking chains, a powerful symbol of gaining freedom. Over time, it evolved to encompass a broader range of situations where someone overcomes limitations or barriers, whether they be physical, emotional, or societal. This expression is often used to encourage people to overcome challenges or to describe a situation where someone has gained freedom or independence. For example, after years of following the same routine, she finally decided to break the chains and travel the world. The revolutionary movement aimed to break the chains of oppression and bring about change. In visual terms, the phrase can be represented by images of broken chains, signifying liberation. It's a powerful metaphor used in art, literature, and media to depict the triumph of the human spirit over constraints. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, break the chains. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and images those words convey. Keep exploring English idioms to enrich your understanding and expression. Until next time, keep breaking your chains.